Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to send money to a friend or family in SoFi app. First of all you have to do is open the SoFi app on your phone. Once the app is opened, all you have to do is click on transfers. A pop-up menu will appear. From here you will see three options: bank transfer, send money to a friend, set up direct deposit. You have to select send money to a friend. A new page will open. From here you have to enter the name of the recipient. Either you can enter the name of your friend or a family member. Once you've entered the name, a new page will open once again. From here it will ask you to type the amount of money that you want to send to your friend. You can send minimum $1 to your friend. Once you've entered the amount, all you have to do is click on next on the bottom, and then it will show you an overview that how much amount of money that you're sending to your friend and to which friend. Once you're done, all you have to do is click on the final button, which is pay. And after that, you have successfully sent money to your friend or family with SoFi application. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.